Show. George Edgar, he's just joined me, and he's CEO, GEK Media Communications, and as well host of the new reality show that I was talking to you about. Indeed, it's all about adventures, and he's here to tell us a bit more. Good to have you on the show.
Thank you very much.
How does it feel as a host, being interviewed?
Well, let's say first, it's been a big dream.
Okay.
I've always wanted to do this. Let me say it's taken about 10 years actually to put this together.
And you're talking the projects.
Yeah.
Okay. Let's launch into the conversation. Tell me about the projects. You call it what?
Adventure Ghana.
Adventure Ghana.
Yes, Adventure Ghana.
Why Adventure Ghana?
Yes, because the focus is on tourism. So we wanted to look at a very unique way to brand and market Ghana,
Right.
and then bring more people to Ghana for tourism. So that's why it's called. So come on an adventure in Ghana. So that's what it simply means.
And so that's the main reason why that you took up this project.
Yeah, that's the main reason.
That's the main
why.
reason.
Yeah, exactly.
How long will this project last?
It will take about 2.5 years of production. This is because we're going to be doing the show in every region of Ghana. So we started with the Volta region, and then we'll be moving to the Eastern region. And then we'll go around Ghana doing, so we have season 1 to season 10. So when we're done with season 10, we will now do the final one, which is the 11th season.
Okay.
That's the battle for supremacy. So all put together will take us about 2.5 years.
I guess I still don't really understand, the whole concept.
Okay.
Tell me exactly what the concept is. I know the idea is to market Ghana.
Yeah.
Okay, in the area of tourism.
Yes.
Give us exactly what the concept is and how the whole show structure will look like.
Okay. First of all, the main concept, the idea is to film at tourist attraction sites.
Okay.
So while we're doing this, people are also seeing the attractions. Yeah, and then it's meant to motivate people, encourage people to visit them. When you see the wonderful scenic beauty, and I mean, a lot of things that potentials that Ghana has when it comes to tourism, I mean, you will be moved to want to go there. So we decided to film at this attraction sites to showcase the different potentials when it comes to tourism that Ghana has. So that's the major concept. So while we're doing this, we're actually moving from attraction site to the other, and then we're filming there. So when we go there, we go for location planning. We'll look at the site. We'll look at what is workable. And then how can we film this so that people will get to see the sites?
Let's. Wow. So you go into the jungle to film and all of that.
Exactly. We move around the jungle.
That's scary.
Yes, like I said earlier, location planning. So when we do location planning, we have to visit the locations.
Right.
So we go very deep into the jungle to look at how we can actually use the place to film.
Right.
Like one of the places we used is Tagbo Falls. Now, between Tagbo Falls is located at Afajato, that's around the Hohoe area. So we had to walk from the village itself through the forest, down the valleys, before we can get to the falls. So it's actually a long journey, and then you see that you go deep into the valleys, and I mean, it's exciting, really.
Wow. And they're contestants. They're contestants on the show.
Yeah, definitely. They are contestants on the show. I mean, they understand what we're coming to do. Of course, they are briefed. They understand the concept, and they are brave enough to take the risk. They want to, because I mean, it's actually fun.
It's more about risk taking for the contestants.
Yeah. Well, it's more about bravery for the contestants.
Okay.
Yeah. There's no risk involved. There's no life-threatening event.
Okay.
So it's all about the excitement and the bravery for the contestants.
Wow. And there's an elimination process?
Yeah, exactly.
Do you get to eliminate people?
Yes, we get to eliminate people. Now, how does this happen? They are divided into tribes. So you become a team of 10 contestants.
It kind of rings a bell. Yeah, go ahead.
Okay. And then each of the team, that's 10 contestants.
Right.
Now, they are divided into tribes, 5 tribes. So you have to support each other.
Okay.
You work as a team.
What are these tribes?
We actually use colors.
Okay.
Yeah, so you have the blue tribe, the black tribe, the yellow tribe, the white tribe, and then the green tribe.
Okay.
So what happens is that you still support each other on the journey. So when it happens that you're not working together as a team and one person falls behind, the whole team goes out.
Wow. How has it been so far? I mean, you said it's taken you 10 years already to do this.
Yes, it's taken...
The experience, putting all of this together, challenges.
Yeah. First of all, you want to go, it's always the funding. It's something new.
Money matters.
Yeah, exactly. It's something new. So people, is it going to work? It's not. They are skeptical. So nobody wants to invest into it. So I mean, you get to do a lot of walking around, trying to raise the funds and all that. So it's really challenging trying to do that, especially when you believe in it. I mean, you want to do everything to make it work. But because people are not seeing what you're saying, they are very skeptical about investing into it.
I mean, usually it's almost as if you need to commit something to it so that they know exactly, what you're talking about.
Yeah.
They have to see what it is before they are attracted to it, if you like. So this is all out of pocket. Don't worry. Well, the funding will come. Do you have any sponsors so far, by the way?
Yeah, well, we do. In fact, I want to really thank Trillium Ghana. They are also producers of a Rush energy drink. And then they have a new product called the Go On Energy drink. I mean, it was fantastic dealing with them because they've not seen it, but they believed in it and they decided to sponsor it. So, I mean, it's a good thing. I would like to say this, that, look, if we want to say that we want to see it first before we invest into it, we might actually let good ideas go down the drain. It won't happen. So we need to take some form of risk. And that's what they did for us, and we really are grateful.
All right, indeed. George and the team are grateful. Okay, premiere dates. When is it happening?
Yeah, it's happening.
When are we likely to see it on this channel?
Yeah,
it's premiering tomorrow.
Tomorrow on GH1 TV live.
Wow.
It's happening.
What time?
2 to 2:30.
Okay.
In the afternoon. Yeah.
30-minute production.
Yeah, it's a 30-minute production.
What do you think is the future of tourism in Ghana?
Well, for me, tourism has a huge potential, and there's a great future for tourism in Ghana. Yes, if you look at the trends, in 2013, it was employing about 124,000 people. And then right now, currently in 2017, that number has moved up to 693,000 people. That's in the industry. So the industry has huge potentials, and there's a great future for tourism in Ghana. I think recently the minister placed an ad on CNN to actually expand marketing options for Ghana. And then looking into the future, Ghana is going to do well in tourism. So there's a great future for Ghana in tourism.
The Hunt Challenge reality show premiering live on GH1 TV tomorrow at 2 o'clock to 2:30. Congratulations.
Thank you very much.